If you lost your template pages in the August 2026 spam update, here's the honest short version. This demotion targets patterns, not sites. Confirm it, fix the pattern, and recheck in November. For checks: 1. Did impressions collapse between the 18th and 21st of August? 2. Is your manual actions report empty? 3. Is the drop concentrated in one template family, not the whole site? 4. Did AI overview citations thin out on the same days? All 4 yes? Keep going. Then the facts that change what you do next. Scale is the violation. AI is not the trigger. The update hits batches, not the whole site. Recovery is measured in months, not weeks. Small edits do not clear a pattern. And it is not a link problem. So do not waste a week on disavow campaigns. And expect no appeal. Step 1. Baseline before you touch anything. Save the Search Console snapshot. Export your URL list. And record 10 to 20 queries where AI overviews used to cite you. Then freeze publishing. New template pages read as the same violation twice. Step 2. Bucket every URL. Score each cluster from 0 to 10. Points for original data. Points for distinct answers. Points for a genuinely different query intent. 0 to 3, delete. 4 to 6, rewrite or merge. 7 to 10, keep. Practitioner rule of thumb: cull at least 60% of the flagged URLs before anything moves. Step 3. Hand the audit to an AI agent with a recovery skill. And make the survivors genuinely different. New evidence. New structure. A human byline. If it fails 3 of the 5 checks, it is still a template. Merge it or delete it. Then measure. Don't refresh. Baseline today. First movement check at week 4. The real recheck at 10 to 12 weeks. Early November if you finish this week, or the next spam update, whichever comes first. Recovery shows up on the pages you rebuilt first, not on anything you publish during the wait. The complete rescue plan is on Auspia.ii. The scoring sheet, the AI agent skill you can drop into your repo, and the free checklist. Start with the 4 checks. See you at the November recheck.